So in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin millionaires, the rose price, where you can buy some cryptos with fiat, and a bunch of other things. So let's just get right into it. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about millionaires. So there's like 56.1 million millionaires in the world right now, and out of those 56.1 million millionaires, only 88,200 of those are actually crypto millionaires. 40,000 of them, 40,500 of them are Bitcoin millionaires, which is pretty interesting. And out of those stats, only 22 people in crypto are actually billionaires, and only 6 of them are Bitcoin billionaires. So there's more people who are millionaires off of altcoins than Bitcoins right now, which is pretty crazy to me. That is a pretty crazy stat. Pretty interesting for everybody who is on this journey in crypto. Let's get it. Let's get this money together. Let's make that 100,000 crypto millionaires, because right now we're headed on the road to 20k subscribers. Let's get it. Subscribe to the channel. Let's just get right into the video. So first things first, the Connects airdrop. If you have used Connects bridge, or if you use any bridges in the ecosystem, you might want to check out connects.network. Go on their Twitter, go to the website, make sure you hit the right links and see if you are eligible for this airdrop. So far, as of about 20 minutes ago recording this video, only 41% of them have been claimed. So there are some airdrops. If we look at the price right now, it's down 19%, which we usually see dumps when the project usually drops, from an airdrop. A lot of people just sell off right away, but that's their prerogative if they want to do so. But it's at 7 cents, and I've seen people getting about 2,000 of them, so maybe about $145. But if you use Connects a lot, then it might be a bigger airdrop. So check that out. We don't know what they're gonna do with the tokens, with the unclaimed tokens, so it's something to check out. So also, in my previous not a low cap gym video, but in my previous video I talked about the Rose network, and somebody asked me, hey, where can I buy Rose protocol if I'm in the US? So Rose has partnered with Transact, and it is a place for you to buy cryptos easily with your debit card if they are not on, let's say, like Coinbase. Like Rose is not available on Coinbase. When you come right here to Transact, you could buy a bunch of coins. They got a bunch of coins that you can send to your wallet. Just type in your debit card information, and then it'll send it directly to your wallet. There is KYC, but hey, we're in the US, you got a KYC. It is what it is. So let's talk about this Bitcoin price right here real quick. So when we look at this Bitcoin chart, we're now in a downtrend. It's looking kind of ugly. We can see right here, if I just put this little line, we're in a little downtrend right here. Not good at all. We popped above it. Like I said in the last video, we were right here around this area. I said, hey, we might pop up to this 200 moving average, and if we get rejected, we put this green line right here. We needed to get above that to be bullish, but we didn't. We got rejected, and it's been going the other way. When we look at this on the weekly, same thing. We don't even really need to zoom in. We're looking pretty ugly on this regard right here. We're below the 200 moving average. But something interesting that I do want to show you on these charts. Now, this is exactly how the bull run of 2015 started. Now let me tell you what I mean by that. We're looking at it for the long term. So you have to remember this chart right here. You see where this is the 4-year cycle of crypto. We see we had the bear, the pre-bull, the first bull, and then the second bull. We're not even to the first bull yet. And once we get up here into the first bull, there is usually another crash. But what I'm going to compare it to is this bull market right here, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. And when we go back to this chart, we can see right here, if we take this and we go to the 3-month chart, just so we can get some of this data off of the chart, what we see is over here we had an area where we got below this 13 moving average on this 3-month chart. We came down, we retested it, failed, and we came back up, retested it, failed again. And that's looking like what's happening over here. We came up, retested it, failed. We came up, got above it, and now we retested it, and then it failed. But after it failed the retest, you come back over here, it failed the retest, and then it went back up and had a nice pump right there. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. We had this failed retest, and then we could get some type of pump right there, but that could take a while. That will take a while to play out because this is the 3-month chart. When we look at this monthly chart, let's zoom in a little bit, refresh this, zoom in. Now we're above this 13 moving average right here. That's the level that I want to hold. That's the level that I think we need to hold in order for this structure to remain bullish on this monthly and continue an uptrend. We start dropping, below this red line right here at 24,300. It starts to get real ugly, and a lot of people are calling for it, but I'm not calling for it yet. We are holding that level so far. Holding a bit above that level so far. So hopefully we just continue to hold that level because, remain bullish for the long term. When we zoom all the way in though, when we go to the daily, why is my chart getting all smashed like this, guys? So, all right. Yeah. Right now, if we zoom in on the daily though, we still got to get above that 27K and hold it. That's where we got rejected at before. Now, hopefully we start to head over on up right here, and this could be a double bottom. But right now on the daily, it's not looking too good. Not looking too good at all. We did get a bit oversold over here, which is actually pretty good. I want to see it get oversold, but 24K is a level that we need to hold basically on that. So yeah, so don't forget, check out the Connects bridge if you're looking for rows in the United States. Transact is where it's at, and they have a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. Like I said, Transact and Coinbase and Uphold are some of the easiest places to get crypto with fiat in the United States. Remember this chart right here, still a bunch of time to go. Let's collect these currencies. Let's get this money together. Y'all think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.